Good evening.
Good evening po.
Evening.
Okay na ba na agree ba ko na mag-conduct ng data gathering and
Oh, agree. Well, I am Jose Manuel Alba, but you can just call me Joman. I was born in Manila. I grew up in Palawan, but I fell in love in Bukidnon. I got interested in bamboo when I visited Beijing around 5 years ago. When I saw an exposition in Beijing, I thought the furnitures that I saw, the pieces of furnitures that I saw were made of wood. But to my surprise, the display were actually made of engineered bamboo. I got interested, with bamboo because I saw that there's an opportunity for us to stop the cutting of trees. If we are successful in convincing furniture makers to shift from wood-based products to bamboo-based products. Unless we stop the demand for wood, we will never be able to stop lagging. So we need to influence the demand side. So here in the Bamboo Pavilion, we encourage furniture makers to explore the potential of bamboo. We already have early adopters. Some of them made that rostrum, and some other products. So, yeah.
mag-interview me about ano pang question. First, ano ang tawag sa sining na ginagawa niyo?
Sining, okay. Actually, we're trying to find ways, to generate more livelihood opportunities for our people. And part of that is actually encouraging furniture makers, artists, everyone to come up with something that is actually that can be introduced in the market. So I do not know what's the right term, artsman, di ba? Kay diri, okay lang mo. English, Tagalog, Bisaya, Sagol, okay ra. So kay diri, for example, for the indigenous people sector, ako silang kina-encourage na to come up with something that is actually profitable, that is actually beneficial to them. So arts and crafts. So anything under the sun that can actually generate livelihood, amo nang gina-entertain. Why? Because the market out there is actually looking for unique products. So, for example, for crafts, we're able to generate so much, several items. So, engineered bamboo guitar. Tayo po toy. Wa atong abri ba? Engineered bamboo guitar. Skateboard. Gravel and block. Kana bitaw pang duktok sa korte. All of these are actually made of engineered bamboo. But we're not limited only to that. So we also have bamboo cake, bamboo ice cream. So sa cake, you can actually express your creativity in the design, diba? Using indigenous materials, no? So practically anything under the sun that we can produce and can be generated into a livelihood for our communities using bamboo as the base material. Okay.
So, kung maaari niyo po bang ilarawan ng proseso ng pag-engineering ng guitar?
Okay, so
Start ko rin lang.
yeah, okay, so crisis actually provides opportunities, no? So during the pandemic, no, one of our kababayans lost his job. He used to work for a musical instrument company. So he is a lumad, no, ahiga unon, no. Actually, he's an IPMR, si Dato Talambuhat, no, from Imbatog, Maungon. So during his visit here at the Bamboo Pavilion, we discussed several things. And then I found out that he lost his job. No? So I told him, why don't we try assembling a engineered bamboo guitar using, assembling a guitar using engineered bamboo. No? So, and I told him na you can stay here, no? Use our facilities, no? So that's what we did. So for several months he stayed here, no? And for several months we produced several guitars. The first guitar that we were able to produce, we gave it to Ben and Ben, the band Ben and Ben. So, and okay.
Ano tayo? Further.
Sige lang, pag-ibutan mo nito. So, okay. So, this is also an example, no? So, this electric guitar, this one is also an electric guitar. Orange and Lemons used this electric guitar a few weeks ago, no? During our People's Assembly in Manolo Fortich. No? So we are on this one. Who would imagine that we can actually create a, diba? It doesn't even look like bamboo. Now, it's in the halls of the Supreme Court. No? So we are actually trailblazing because in the country, dili sa panghinambog, pero kita ang gaunag yun, no? In terms of product development. No, although this is my personal initiative, no, the idea is to create several products and then encourage the different communities to produce these products. That's where the income opportunity will come in. So here we encourage creativity to produce a product. And when the product is out, no, we encourage a particular community or barangay. No, if they are interested, they can produce this one. So this one is being produced by our Higaonon tribe in Imbatog, Bukidnon. No? So with our creative products, we are actually solving so many things. Right now, because of poverty, people are leaving the rural areas, correct? Especially the youth, to find opportunities elsewhere. No? But with bamboo, we will be able to encourage our IP youth, no, to stay in their respective communities and plant more bamboo, because they can actually produce valuable products without leaving their communities. Right? So why go elsewhere? Why go to, again, the Oro or in Manila or in Cebu? For what? To find an employment? Yeah, maybe. But the opportunity is actually here. Right? You not only employment. There's an opportunity for our people to become employers, business owners, not just with bamboo. No? So, okay.
May mga pagkakataon po bang gusto niyo ng sumiko? Paano niyo ito nalagpasan?
It never crossed my mind. It never crossed my mind. Because it's always it's actually it's difficulties. You will always encounter difficulties, whether you do these things, these products or not. You will always encounter difficulties in anything that you do. What is important is we are all laser focused on the things that we want to achieve, right? Difficulties will come, but if you are really determined to achieve something, no amount of frustration, no amount of distraction will prevent you from achieving your goals. Your objectives, your goals should be first realized in your mind. I can do this. And you will just be amazed that few days later, you are able to achieve your goals or realize your objective.
Kung may pagkakataon po kayong magturo sa kabataan, anong mensahe ang gusto niyo ipasa?
Be creative. And don't mind the difficulties. Focus on your goal. Don't be discouraged. Creatives kasi anything is possible. Don't be creative. Focus on your goals. Ideas are limitless.
Thank you so much, Tom, for entertaining us, for interviewing me.
Ako magpasalamat sa inyo because I'm really happy that you are interested in bamboo. You're interested in discovering the potential of bamboo. So I hope that after your graduation, we can explore again the opportunities, the economic opportunities that we can actually pursue. Thank you very much. Pagdali ko yung unit mo. Uling good sa. Yeah.